Yo, my name JJ, aka Pretty Boy. You already know what it is. You heard? I'm gonna tell you a little something on my bike. I mean, yeah, just look at my bike. Get a nice view real quick. Put your legs on my bout. I ride Superstar, something nobody ride in the hood. Superstar, right? Exactly. Alright, so I'm about to explain some parts to you. I advise you to show me. Alright, bomb. Okay, the other way. Alright, I'm packing right here. The ODI grips, right? Black. With the ODI barons. I got the S&M Grand Slam XLTs, 8.5 rise, 29 long. I got the Redneck XLT stem made by S&M. I'm doing the front view of it. I got the Animal Seals. Also, and I got hollow bolts all around. See, I know you see it. Animal Seals. I got the Superstar frame. The Primo Strand fork. One of the best forks out to me. I got the Primo outer wall with the Vandera hub made by Odyssey. Primo spokes. Primo nipples. Got the Town White walls made by Animal. Alright, let's go to the crank phone. Back up there. I got the Odyssey Twan bolts with the Odyssey sprocket, $1 million sprocket, 25 teeth. Also with the Shadow Conspiracy chain. DK pedals, white. They pretty good pedals. These shits last me a long time. I got left hand drive. I'm riding 25 9 tooth. I got the Primo Mix tape, the newest hub out. I got the Primo outer wall, Town White, you saw the front, same thing as the back, made by Animal. I got the Primo seat, Animal pivotal post. Let's see. Also, hold on. I got the Animal Seals, bottom bracket. I got the Odyssey JPEGs. I'm about to throw in 4 more. They're coming soon. I don't know if I want to ride those 4. Yeah. I mean, that's practically it, man. It's my bike. I'm a Brooklyn rider from East New York. You already know what it is. Bike 22 pounds. You know what I mean? Got the nice hub. Look at the hub. No wop at all. Right? It's just solid. And the chain was tight. That's my bike.